In Excel, we can change the font case as per our requirement. We can change our text into uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, and propercase. Okay. What is the basic formula to use this? I'll tell you that. So, to turn any text into lowercase, we will start with is equal to sign. We will write lower to make the text lower. We'll start the bracket. And then what text we want to make lower, we will select that particular cell. And we will close the bracket and we'll hit the enter button. Now you see in this case it was uppercase, so it turned the text into lower. And now I can drag and drop till where I want the names to be turned into lowercase. Similarly, if you want to turn any lowercase into a uppercase, the formula is same. Just you need to type the word upper here in place of the formula section. For example, is equals to sign, upper, upper, start the bracket, and now select the lower, that word you want to turn into uppercase. Clear? And close the bracket. Hit the enter button and you see, just double click or drag and drop as per your requirement, your text will turn into uppercase. Now we are going to see how we can change it to a proper case. Proper case means the first letter will be in capitals and rest of the letters in that word will be in smaller case. So for that, again, is equal to, and as we all know, the formula is very simple. You need to type PROPER, proper, start the bracket, select that particular text or that particular cell where you want uh, which cell value you want, text you want to change into proper, any of it, any of this cell. I'll first try to use the lower one and I'll hit enter. It will turn into proper case. I took the smaller one, small case text. Let me take this one, this cell all capital. Will it change? Let me see. This is equal to proper, bracket start, take the text, address, cell address, and hit enter. See, it will turn lowercase also into proper case. It will turn uppercase also into a proper case. And the rest you just drag and drop. And your text will turn as per your requirement. Hope this will help.